Okay, YouTube, first video ever. Okay, we got an '07 Grand Prix with a 3800. Okay. A lot of people have issues with no starts, intermittent ignition, the spark. We've gone through, we've replaced all wires, all plugs, the crank sensor, because that's what I've been told by everyone. That's even what the mechanic that I've been talking to says. But it turns out that this wonderful wiring harness tends to apparently come undone. Make sure it's actually connected. I've been working on this car for a solid 4 hours today and easily another 10 hours in the past couple weeks. Literally checking the spark coil by coil once in a blue moon. We'd get it to pop off, and then 5 minutes later of playing with the wires, checking, see if there's still spark coming from each of the individual coil packs, and even through the wires, we'd get nothing. But it's funny because this little guy right here, disconnected, will make your life a living hell in an aspect. And checking all the wiring, that's barely even on. Checking all the wiring, we didn't come across it. It looks like she's plugged in. Okay, notice how it was a pain in the ass to start? Yeah, it's barely plugged in. And the car's actually warmed up because we've been driving it around for the past little bit, but it's barely connected. Just check this little guy right here. It goes to the ICM, it also goes to the crank sensor, and then it runs into the wiring harness for the throttle body as well. Just make sure that guy is clipped in, and honest to God, guys, I'm not lying, this is actually what it was. Just check that connector, and I'm sure that your spark will be very consistent. You'll get it. It might take a minute for the car to start up right away. We got a lot of buildup in the cylinders of oil from it turning over so much, and it honestly sitting forever. This one does have a little bit low compression on the cylinders. But yeah, it's cold as balls, and enjoy Minnesota weather. Have a good one, guys.